everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to discuss lasers physics 1 syllabus of semester 6 of Punjabi University Patiala. Today we will discuss important topics and main syllabus discussion. Section A consists of transition between energy states, absorption, spontaneous and stimulated emission, principle and properties of laser beam, derivation of Einstein coefficients, concept of metastable states, laser pumping and population inversion, broadening of spectral lines, natural collision and Doppler broadening, line width, line profile, absorption and amplification of a parallel beam of light passing through a medium, threshold condition, 3-level and 4-level laser schemes, elementary theory of optical cavity, longitudinal and transverse modes. Section B consists of elementary description of principal, construction and operation of helium and neon laser, CO2 laser, Ravi laser, Weightage laser, dye laser, semiconductor laser, mode of creating, population inversion and output characteristics. Q switching, mode locking, applications of laser of a general outline, holography, fiber fundamental, wave propagation and dissipation of energy applications. So this is all syllabus of lasers. Now I will tell you the important topics that you have to do. Section A, absorption, spontaneous and stimulated emission, Einstein coefficients, population inversion, metastable state. Section B, construction and working of laser, CO2 laser, Ravi laser, optical fiber, principle and applications of optical fiber. So this is all for this video. If you want more videos, tell me in comment section. Bye for now.